Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to get a free API key for calling AI models. So this website Gab.ai, if you directly go to Google, simply type this, the very first website which comes, Gab.ai. So this website lets you use a free API key. So once you register on this website, it does provide you with some free credits. So no credit card is needed. Simply sign up using your Google account. So once you authenticated, you will be redirected to the dashboard area. So just complete the steps. So it does have a pro plan as well, which start with $16. So you can start free with 150 credits. As you see that this landing page looks something like this. From here you simply chat with this. So you have a free plan right here, as you can see. In the model section, as you see, you can select all the models. So if you want to select the Claude model, Claude Opus, Claude Sonnet. So I selected the Claude Opus model. So we have all the providers: Claude, Gemini, GPT, DeepSeek, Kimi K3. So in the provider section, you simply select the model. So I selected it, Claude Opus 5, as you see that. I simply send out a message, hi, it will respond to me, hi there, how can I help you today? So it's actually using the Claude Opus 5 model. So in this easy way, you can access any model for totally free inside this website. And if I try to actually say build a image to PDF web app in browser. So as you see, we ask a coding related question. So it's actually building this full stack coding application. So it's really powerful. It's very fast as well. You can even create images as well. So they have their own AI image generator, AI image editor as well. So these are all the image tools. You simply can see it is actually researching the topic first of all and then creating the application. So it's an ultimate website. You can log in with different accounts, different Google accounts to get this free unlimited. So 125 credits are given to you once you sign up. So you can log in with multiple Google accounts to get this totally free and unlimited. So as you see, it's creating this index HTML file right here. So once it finishes, you will get the notification, and it also shows you the live preview of the application. So it's an all-in-one AI platform where you get the AI model access and API access. Gab.ai, Gab.ai. So this is the address. Simply sign up using your Google account. So as you see, it is still creating the application. So HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code. So now you can see it has successfully created this uh, actual application. It also created the description as well. So all this code has been successfully generated. You can click on copy to copy the code. So this is all happening through Claude Opus. As you see, we can use different models as well for image generation. So you can use this Quen image. So I can simply say two guys coding on laptop. So this is your image. You can use the AI image generator. So two guys coding on laptop. Click on generate image. So right here, once it completes, you will get to see the image what the AI has created. So you can see it's looking like a real image, realistic image. The size, everything is shown to you. You can click on the download button to download this image. So everything you can do on this website, guys, no watermark is there, so that's a good thing. You can build out coding applications, you can generate images as well. So this is the website Gab.ai. Definitely check this out. It gives you 125 credits. Still my 98 credits are remaining. So you can buy more credits as well by clicking the buy button. So you can check out their thing right here. Add credit card and buy some credits once you are. But I will recommend just log in with multiple Google accounts to get 125 credits every time. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please hit that like button, subscribe to channel.